This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to an email address in Microsoft Excel. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. I have Microsoft Excel opened up now. I have a little example project I'm working on here. Say that I wanted to hyperlink some text to an email address, maybe place it right in here. It's very easy to do. The way that I like to do it, I like to place my text in a text box. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a text box. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab. I'm going to click on that. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to the far right to where it says Text Box. I'm going to click on Text Box. Then I'm going to go down to my sheet and I'm going to draw out a text box. You could always change the size of your text box later. I'm going to draw mine out about like that. Now I want to remove the fill and the border around my text box here. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Shape Format tab. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Shape Fill. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go down to where it says No Fill. That'll make my background invisible in my text box. Now I want to remove the border. I'm still on the Shape Format tab. I'm going to click on Shape Outline. And I'm going to go down to where it says No Outline. I'm going to click on that. Now I have a blank text box with no border. I'm going to put my email address in here. Just a fictitious email address. I'm going to stretch out my text box a little bit here to where my text can fit in it. Now you could triple click on your text. You could change your color if you want to. I'm going to use about this color right here. You can change your size of your text. You could decorate it basically like you do any other text. I'm going to leave mine be like it is now. Now to hyperlink this text here, I'm going to first select my text by triple clicking on it. I have my text selected that I want to hyperlink. Then the next thing I'm going to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab. I'm going to click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to the right, down to where it says Link. I'm going to click on Link. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on the very bottom one, Email Address. And then right up here, under Email Address, you want to type in your email address that you want to hyperlink this to. Now as you can see, Excel automatically added in that mail to colon. That has to be in there. Excel will automatically add that in. Then you want to go down to the bottom and click on OK. Now I'm going to click off it. I'm going to put my mouse cursor over it. It tells you it's hyperlinked to that email address. Now if I left click on that email address, it brings up my email app with that address that I hyperlinked it to already added in as the mail to it. It's ready for you to send an email to that email address. That is how to hyperlink text to an email address in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.